Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna tell you about how many programming language you need to learn in order to make website. So in this website, you can see that there are so many programming language, but in order to make website, you need to know there is a concept called the front end. Web development and the backend web development. So the front end web development is about what you see on the website, what the user see uh, on the website. For example, this is the wschools.com website. In here, you can see a lot of picture, button, and framework, paragraph, uh, and highlight uh, uh, some capital or content, and so many read. And let me change into another website like Google. Here is what you see on the Google website, but that's about front end developing. It's just about what the users see on the website. And now it's about the backend development. Backend development is about what the users can do on the website. For example, in so in the Google, you can see some search bar like this. When you type something like this, it will show you a lot of things. In Google website, you can do a lot of things with it, with this website. So that's it. The most popular thing you can see in a website that have using backend programming languages is the login, the account form, and like a website as Facebook. So it's about that's it. It's about front end developing. And now let's come back to the wschools.com. This is a website that you can learn about programming languages. So here you can see some programming language like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. So in order to learn front-end developing, you must learn about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, React, Angular, JS, and maybe JSON. And in the server side, and this is a name that you can see in backend developing, and you can learn SQL, MySQL, PHP, ASP, Node.js. That is about backend developing. So some website you can go to in order to play game. That is so complicated website, which is developed by front-end developing language and back-end developing language. And some developer like to use like to add Python or Java, C++ into the website to make it more how can I say, modern. Okay, so advanced. So another thing that I want you to know is that when you learn programming language, you need to be patient. Some programming, some languages you can learn in 1 week, like HTML, but some language like JavaScript or PHP, I think you have to spend two months at least in order to remember all the syntax. So you need to be you need to be patient and practice every day in order to remember everything. And sometimes spend time to review the syntax if you don't remember anything. So the good thing about learning programming language is you don't need to remember everything. Sometimes you can forget something, but you just need to review the concepts, the syntax. The good way to do it is try to make a notebook to write down everything you want to learn, or you can do something like me. Now I'm gonna show you how I make the notebook. You can see I try to save every syntax in the folder like this on OneDrive. If I forget something, I just need to go to OneDrive and go to my account and figure out any programming language that I need to review. That's all. For example, if I forget the array of JavaScript, I just need to click on this file. Wait until it open. Here, you can see here's a lot of syntax that I write down in a Word document online, Microsoft Word document online. If you don't like to work with OneDrive, you can use something like Google Drive to save all your document. So that's it. Thank you for spending time watching my video. Bye bye.